Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Chrome is updated, and you have a mouse or trackpad plus keyboard. Once done, open Chrome and go to the page you want to resize. Make sure the window is not maximized. If it is, click the Restore button or press Alt plus space, then Restore. Then position your cursor at any window edge or corner. You'll feel the resize cursor change. This is the first actionable step. Click and drag to start changing the window dimensions. Once the cursor changed, drag an edge for horizontal or vertical adjustments, or drag a corner to resize both axes at once. This handles quick manual sizing. If you need precise control, press Alt plus space, then choose Size, use arrow keys to move the edge in 1 pixel steps, and press Enter when done. Also, adjust page content independently. Use Control and plus or minus to change zoom, or open settings, right arrow appearance, right arrow zoom to set a %. These methods explain how and why to control window versus content scale. To finish, set your preferred final state. Click Maximize for full screen, or use Restore and fine-tune with corner drags. If you want consistent layouts, use Windows Snap or Mac OS Split View for predefined sizes and positions. If resizing fails, make sure no extension blocks window behavior. Disable extensions temporarily. Also, reset zoom to 100%, restart Chrome, or reboot your OS. These steps often fix stuck sizes. If problems persist, check for display scaling settings or graphics driver updates to resolve persistent sizing issues.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.